just wanted to draw your attention to tumble dryers in general. These are both good quality condenser dryers, that's for sure. But if you look at the energy label here, this is a good size machine, but there's a figure here, 671, which is your estimated annual energy consumption. Now, I'm not going to try and tell you how many pounds that is over the year, because energy change, but it's as much as it's ever been. That's that one there. Now, if you just look at this one, this is another condenser model, but this is a heat pump model. Look at the difference between the figure. You've gone from 671 to 177. Now, in anyone's book, that's that's a quarter of the energy consumption. It's like a guilt-free tumble dryer. And also, a lot of people will tell you heat pump tumble dryers are slow. So there's a minute figure there, 170. Now, this is a big load at 10 kilo. But look, 174 for 8 kilo. That's not slow.